all the groceries in one trip.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JS back again with another banger. I'm out here with Kobe. If y'all haven't seen the last video, go check it out. We had a skills competition and we ended it off with a 40 or a 20-yard dash. So go see what happened in that video. The cue card is popping. I don't know what side it's on. It's popping up. So go check it out. Go see who won that. Today we're gonna be doing working on some releases, some one-on-ones without a ball. So we're just gonna work on some techniques though. He plays outside linebacker, I play receiver. So whatever I do for him will probably help him because he plays against running backs whenever he's out there. So whatever line moves and routes I give him, they'll help him whenever he's covering running backs man to man. So we're gonna be doing that, and I'll get to work on my releases because I haven't done it in a while. And I figured out some new techniques that I've been seeing on Instagram. So I think I'm gonna incorporate that today. So we're gonna set the camera up. He's taking a rest because we just filmed the video. He's taking a rest. I'm gonna set this camera up and we're gonna get started. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting on? Go follow me on Instagram. I try to post. If y'all follow me on Instagram, maybe I'll post more. So follow me on Instagram. Let me know when you do that. Comment done. And maybe I'll give your comment a shout out in the next video. We'll see. I'll pick one randomly. So comment done after you follow me on Instagram, and I'll give you a comment shout out. So we'll see. So I'm gonna set this camera up and we're gonna get started with the releases. All right, y'all, we're gonna do releases. I got these cones set up. These are actually kind of wide.
What's the cones?
They're just for me to not go outside of them when I'm releasing.
You gonna make that wide of a release? I just like.
That's why I'm scooting them in.
Nah, yeah, that's probably good right there.
Yeah. So these are just my cones. We're gonna do some we're gonna do some releases, man. He need to work on it. I don't know if he ever stick up on anybody one-on-ones, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do some one-on-ones. I need to do it because it's been a little minute since I worked on releases. So that's what we're gonna do. I got the camera set up back here, and we're gonna get started.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm just gonna. I just wanna work. Let me work some releases real quick. So I can get stuff on. Like, let me work that. Like, I just wanna work like your first side does. There we go. That's better. That's better. I gotta hit my hand. That's on. You gotta be patient.
That's what I'm gonna start.
Well, that's what you gotta be ready. Just like if I get a shoulder, just like fucking flip that shit. Flip it off. I hate inside release.
I don't like inside usually.
Really? That's
You're always playing inside shade.
That's what I always play inside shade, and I still always be late. I'm trash.
All you gotta do is step. Yeah.
That's what, like, they're like, I mean, I was on top of you, but you still were inside. Like,
Yeah,
you still,
that's dope.
that's what I'm saying. So you still, like, if you were running like a drag or something, you still would have beat me.
Oh, them be my favorite release when I can play.
Yeah.
How the hell I slapped your knee, bro?
God. You wait for that hand. I'm not even shooting my hands really.
That's how you know I practice with my hands a lot. He's not even shooting his hands out, and I'm still reaching for him. I gotta hit something.
Proud of you. Good job. Yeah, I always do left leg. I've always been terrible at off coverage.
This the technique I seen on Instagram. They was doing a little duck walk thing. So that's what I'm trying to do.
What is that?
I don't know, but that should be working.
We get sub on the truck.
Oh, yeah.
Where you at, man?
What do you mean? I'll take that 5-yard route all day. You gonna have to throw it, you gonna have to catch it.
That's 2nd and 5, bitch. We've been doing drills non-stop. We gotta get some water, bro. It's hot. The sun's not even out. It's just super humid for no reason. It might rain today. I low-key kind of smell rain. We're gonna do some routes now. We did the releases before, but I think it's time to pick it up a little bit. Just pick it up a notch. We're gonna do some routes. What kind of routes do you cover? If you do, don't you do stuff in one-on-ones, like against running backs?
Yeah, but it means out of the backfield though.
Okay, yeah, we're not doing that.
Oh,
I'm right here. What do you mean? I'm right here.
I just happy I stay with you, honestly.
I didn't really do a release.
Oh, I got safety now. Woo! That's how I'm tracking. Yeah.
I'm right here.
I started this one. Oh shit.
You holding it, man.
They ain't calling that.
This man is holding, bro.
Bro.
I still caught the ball.
You running so far.
I still caught the ball. I ran 10 yards.
Catch it now, give you that. Good job.
So that's probably gonna do it for this video. We tired. This man Kobe just said football is hard. That's why a lot of people don't play it, because it is hard. Woo! Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like this video. Let me know if you want to see more of this one-on-one training. Not even really one-on-ones. Training for one-on-ones. Releases. If y'all want a video where I do tips on releases, I could do that. Just drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see. I could do some other positions. I'll learn other positions just to teach y'all if that's really what y'all want. So let me know. Drop a comment. Like the video. Turn on post notice. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.